Hello, this is Vikreshwar. You are in 19CS1052. In this class, we are going to see about implementation of single circular linked list. In a single linked list, for assigning any node of linked list, we starting traversing from this first node. If we are at any node in the middle of the list, then it is not possible to access nodes that precede the given node. This is the problem can be solved by slightly altering the structure of single linked list. In a single linked list, in a single linked list, next part pointer to the next node is null if it utilizes for more advantage of it utilize this link to point to the first node, then we can reach preceding nodes. Refer this for the circular linked list. I explain implementation of circular linked list. To implement a circular linked list, we take an external pointer that points to the last node of the list. If we have pointer last pointing to the last node, then last next will point to the first node. This is C++ program. As include IO_H, as include studio.h, this namespace is read type is text node, and int data node star next and node star preview and node. We add in this program we add the node and show that add node and delete that node. That's only we see. And main function we see choices means we give choices like menu option, add a node and display a node and delete the node and exit and enter our choice. And then switch cases. Case 1 we have to add that node, and case 2 show that node whatever we add, and case 3 delete that node, and case 4 are break means we have to exit, then enter appropriate option to choose 1, 2, 3, 4. If you choose 5 means it will come wrong option. So first we see node star add node star n and int choice n is equal to new node. That means we have to enter our element to insert. Cin we have to enter the data to insert, and if f is equal to null means it is not it is inserted successfully, it will come. Else that inserted value is not done. Where do you want to insert it? You can ask. And here we have to choose beginning you want to enter or end you want to enter, and you choose beginning or end or 1 and 2 option. And switch case we have to see first case n next means s equal to f preview is equal to null, then means f is equal to n means it will add successful, and break. And case 2 node star temp, and temp is equal to f, while temp is the next means it is not equal to null means it will come success, or otherwise default it will come. Default means invalid choice, invalid it will come. And show that node. If the temp is equal to null means it will come list is empty. If there is in the list is not equal to null means it will come that node and delete that node star temp. That's all. And temp 1 is equal to null means it will come that list or cannot be deleted, it will come. If you want to delete that element in beginning or end means you have to choose 1 or 2. That's all this program. I run this program. I want to add a node. Enter the element you want to insert. 3. Element inserted successfully. Again I want to add a node. I insert 4. Where do you want to insert from? Beginning or end? I choose beginning. Okay, success. So again I want to add a node. I want to add a 2. Beginning or end? I choose 2. That's also success. So I want to display the nodes whatever I insert. See, 4, 3, 2 I added. So I want to delete that node. Beginning or end. I want to delete that node from beginning. And now I show display. See, 3, 2 are only there. So again I want to add a node. I want to add 8 beginning. So I want to delete that one at the end. So again I want to display the node 8, 3. This is my program. So if you choose 5 means it will come enter appropriate option, and so I want to exit, so I give 4. Yes, exit. Thank you for watching. Be safe.